Hi, my name is Jitendra Sandhu. I represent solution4all.in. Today, I want to demonstrate you the installation of Windows 8. Okay, proceed to next. Before going to install Windows 8, we need to have some pre-requirements. The requirements for Windows 8 installation is that Windows 8 bootable DVD have a product key, minimum 2 GB of RAM in your local system. The processor should be of dual core or more than that, and you must have a minimum of 16 GB of hard disk drive space. If you do have all the requirements that was displayed on your screen, then you can go on through the Windows 8 installation process. The next page will display you how we can install our Windows 8 on your local system. Thank you. Hello, hello friends. I want to Hello friends, I am going to demonstrate you how to install Windows 8 on your system using CD or DVD drive. Just insert your Windows 8 DVD into your DVD drive, then just restart your computer. It will show this type of screen. Then the further steps are being demonstrated through this screen. Now my language is English United States. Time and currency also format is English United States. Keyboard is US. It is by default showing me, and I am agreed with him. This. Okay. Then click on next. Then if your computer has Windows 8 in your system and it requires a repairing option, then click on here. Else you can go and click on install now. Now setup is starting. Now it is asking for product key. I have a product key with me. You have your I have used my product key. You just type your own product key. Okay. If your keyboard is not working properly, then you can also use the virtual keyboard here. Click on this and you can use the option like this. Okay. Then click on next. Now I accept the license term. Next. Here it shows two options. One is upgrade option and another one is custom. What does it mean by upgrade? If you have already installed with some other operating system like Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, then you want to upgrade the Windows XP to or Windows 7 to Windows 8, then you need all the files that are existing in your Windows XP or Windows 7 operating system being there in Windows 8 folder. So you do not require anything to change. You just click on upgrade and it will keep all the files that you have in previous operating system and also applications, but the simple upgradation of operating system will be occur. If you do not want to keep anything with you or you want to keep format in place, then you will just gone through custom option. So it has different options, like now it shows me that you have a unallocated space of 60 GB. It means it is a new hard disk which have capacity of 60 GB and it is not yet formatted, so it shows me unallocated. Now I want to format it into two partitions. So how to go through that, I will show you. Just click on drive option. It shows me some of the new options like delete, format, new, extend. What does it mean? If though I do not have a format, I do not have a space based HDD partition and it is purely formatted or new, so only new option is activated. So for this reason I want to create a new partition. It shows me that how much size is there. Then I want to make it 21. Apply. Okay. Now automatically system pre-reserved it. It is for boot option or boot paging option, boot configuration options. This one is the OS drive and there is another drive which is unallocated yet. I want to create it also. 29 GB, 30 GB, sorry. I want to delete this partition. So click on this, delete it. Okay. After clicking on delete, it is requiring a confirmation that you have all the files in your that drive. If you want to delete the partition, then the entire file will be lost. So would you agree or not? If you are clicking on OK, it means you are agreed with it. Then it will delete it like this. I can create it also. Like this format means the partition is being same but the data will be lost. And if you want to extend, it means you have a space of 29 GB and you want to extend it to 30 GB or 35 GB, then you can click on drive, then extend, then go through that. But you must have some unallocated space which can be combined with this drive. I have a unallocated space of 9.8 GB, so I want to combine these two. Then click on extend. I can extend it up to 39 GB. Okay, these two can be combined with each other. Then apply. Now it is being combined. So I just select any of the drive, these two drive, and click on next to install the Windows 8 on that drive. Okay, click on next. Then the copying of Windows file. The Windows files are being copied to your system. Then it takes 1 to 2 minutes, max 2 minutes. Done. Then getting files ready for installation, it takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Now it is all the files are being copied to your local system or local HDD. Now it is almost 99% completed. Now done 100%. Then it proceed for next installing features. It was also done. Installing updates done. Finishing off. It is asking for restart now. It can automatically restart within 10 seconds, or you can click on restart now. Now engage in 8 configuring the files on my system. In this step, the installation of Windows driver, graphics driver, RAM driver are being installed. So it takes around 15 minutes, max to max 15 minutes. Now my device is ready. Six percent, 9, 10, 15, 42, 48, 54, 7, 63. Visualization is changed. 67, 73, 92, 97, 100. My device is being ready. Restarting my system. choose your background color. Then put your computer name. Then click on next. Now it is asking for your default settings like your internet setting, your firewall, everything, your update setting, everything. If you want to customize everything manually, then click on customize or use express setting. Okay, express setting takes the optimal or recommended settings on your system. If you go through customize, then you need to turn on the sharing and connect it to device, yes or no. Then automatic update option, also not no. Automatically get device drivers or not, on or not, off. Then Windows screen filter check files or not, it on. Turn on Internet Explorer smart screen option, on or off. Send do not track request to website you visit in, on or off. Then next, like this, these are the several settings. The default setting I am just going through. Okay. Now this one is the my email ID to be configured. If I do not want to put my email ID, then skip it. Next. So it means it is mandatory to you must give a email ID that should be of Windows account. Okay. It is connecting to the internet. Though I do not have internet connection now. Finish. This shows me that you must have a user account in your system. That username is Jitu. Password you want to configure. Then finish. Finalizing your settings. It is just a trailer video or options that how to interact with Windows 8 option. This is a trailer. Swipe from any edge. It means in every edge there is a menu option. Every cell. In your desktop, you can click on corner. It shows you the menu option. The same thing being repeated. it checks your system's configuration, making your system ready, and the background is being changed into different color because Windows 8 is full of different colors. Installing apps, these are the processes which are going through. Now the default Windows applications are being installed or configured. Now it comes your start menu. You can navigate from this page to anywhere. Like if you want to go to the mail, then click on the here, people, messaging, desktop, weather, finance, everything, news, sports, internet explosion, everything. Click on this one is the profile. Your profile. You can sign out, lock or change account picture. Here is the option. Now this is the option where you can find search, share, start, go to the start, devices and settings. Settings like control panel, everything. Then click on desktop. It comes your desktop account. Just right click on anywhere on the desktop. Click on personalize. Click on change desktop icons. Click on my calculator. user profile, everything that you require. Okay, click on apply, then okay. Like this, you want to change the screen resolution, click on right click on desktop, screen resolution, set your user defined screen resolution. Okay. Okay. Now you can double click on my computer to view the entire details. Okay. That I do have two drives, one DVD drive, one floppy drive, etc. etc. If you want to format this, double click on it, format this, start. Okay. Okay, format completed. Close. There is the OSK on still keyboard options also there. You can click on here. Okay. Then if you want to go back to your start, then click on here, start. Want to go to shutdown, then power, shutdown or restart. Okay. Once again, I want to show you. Just go to the corner of bottom corner. Okay. Stay here. Now setting, click on setting. It shows you different settings option. Click on power or shutdown or restart. If you want to change the PC setting, then click on change PC setting. It is just like a control panel. Activate Windows option, personalize, user, everything here. Okay, I want to shut down. Thank you. Thank you for visiting solutionforall.in, and I am Jitendra Sandal. Thanking you once again.